Hey SNHU ENG 329 students. Are you ready to turn your story ideas into polished works of art? The fiction writing workshop is where your creativity meets academic structure. But what happens when you're stuck on plot development, struggling with character motivation, or unsure how to polish your prose for a workshop critique? The blank page can be intimidating, and the pressure of a deadline for a creative project can feel overwhelming. Don't let the academic side of writing overshadow your passion. At getbrainful.com, we understand the creative process and are here to help you shine in ENG 329. We provide expert guidance and tailored assistance to help you refine your narrative. We'll help with everything from shaping your story's arc to perfecting your point of view, so you can confidently submit your work and get the most out of your workshop experience. Ready to master the craft of fiction? Visit getbrainful.com today. That's getbrainful.com, your essential resource for ENG 329 excellence.